Hey guys, it's Cassie at Twisted Trinkets, and today we're going to be working on fashion star filly Dara and getting her hair detangled and styled. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and get going on everything here. She has quite a few tangles, nothing too terrible, but we're gonna go ahead and get that taken care of, and we're gonna end up rebraiding her hair. I'm seeing a long part up here. I'm trying to get it back where we can style it. So we've got to put these braids back in and get her back in shape here. And we're gonna try to leave these separate as well, these little short hairs that hold her bows and things. We'll be using my water conditioner mix, which is just a tiny bit of conditioner mixed really well with water. I have a pet slicker brush here that I'm just using to help get through all the tangles. When you're using the slicker brush, make sure that you are, as you can see, my hand is back here to keep from rubbing this on the plastic here. So make sure you keep your hand back there and keep the parts you don't want in this out of the way. This isn't perfect, but it's good enough for me to start using my flat iron. So what I like about using heat on the hair is that sometimes I could be here for hours just trying to brush through knots. But with the flat iron, with that low heat, it helps relax the hair and get through some of those tangles that otherwise I might have been here brushing for a very long time. So now it's time for her tail. And this little short bit of hair is actually for her tail accessory, so it's supposed to be there, but I don't really want to get it more tangled in her regular hair. So I'm going to try to do my best to keep it separate, just like I did in the mane. Okay, so I think what I would like to do is rebraid these. Anyway, I have these tiny little braid rubber bands that I'll be using. All right, so let's see if we can get these braids back in. What is she? Oh, she actually has 4. I'm gonna need another one. Hopefully I can find them when I need them. They're so tiny and clear, it's hard to see. Paper towel. It helps kind of hold the ends in one place. There we go. those fly away. I don't really want them in my way when I go to unravel and get tangled. Okay, so then I'm gonna do a little corkscrew. And then just at the end, don't do one, get it so that it kind of matches the same twist here. So when I say not to go too crazy with it, what happens is it goes like this and you get an extra twist. So when you do it, that last one typically gets more flat. Okay. And I lost my end here. There we go. Can't hang, sorry folks. I don't like how straight that looks. So if you don't like how straight something looks, I tend to carefully try to make it look a little more jagged so that it doesn't look like it's all cut. Don't like that. So that is ready for me to do the boil perm on these curls. I'm gonna try to avoid these. It may not happen, just because when you're trying to get on one side, you have to be really careful with the angles and everything. So I'll do the best I can, but I may have to re-curl this when I am done with the boil perm. Just these short parts, we'll see. Okay, so she has had a boil perm and dried completely. So it's just time to take out all these curls. Let's see how we did. Well guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can see you again next time. Bye!